I'm here at the Hitachi 160. Having a minor problem with it. Using it the other day there, and went to move the machine and heard a pop from this track, and I lost drive altogether. On this side it was just freewheeling, the other side still works fine. So I pulled off the cover for this final drive, and I pulled both sets of planetary gears out. Well, I found out what it was immediately, but so there's this shaft here. As you can see, the splines are gone right off it. The shaft goes in like this, like so, and it drives the outside set of planetary gears. But no good. Here's a closer look. So obviously the splines are gone off that shaft, but also you can't really see, but inside there they're gone too. And I haven't been able to find a parts diagram at all, a parts breakdown of this final drive. We have the parts book for the machine, but it just shows the final drive as a complete assembly, so that's been kind of useless. I believe this is just a collar in there. I think there's another shaft that comes out of the hydraulic motor part of it, and that's just a collar that connects the two shafts. So what I need to get is this shaft, and I need to get that collar, which I guess is easy enough to buy the parts, but my problem is getting to that collar. I can't really figure out how to do that. It's starting to look like I might have to take this final drive right out of here. But my hope is that maybe someone will be watching this and have some experience with working on final drives on excavators, and maybe can share some insight. There was plugs in these holes, and I took them out thinking I might find something, but I haven't really been able to see much. I don't know if you're supposed to put bolts in there and then it'll push it off or what. I don't know how you get it back on though afterwards. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if someone knows something about these machines. It's a Hitachi ZX 160 dash, well, it's not dash anything, dash 1 maybe. So yeah, that's where we're at. One broken excavator. The undercarriage in this machine has 10,000 hours on it. It's never been redone, so it's pretty tired, and obviously that's what caused that, plus a little bit of abuse on our part. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.